Hi, I'm Sophia Rivera, and I'm going to teach you how to use Infinite Campus. Start off by opening up your Google search engine and then typing in sequoiahs.org. This is the Sequoia High School homepage. Go to the Resources tab and hover over it. Then scroll down and click on Infinite Campus. Now you're on the Infinite Campus login page. Click on either Campus Student or Campus Parent. I'm a student, so I'm clicking on Campus Student. Next, you're going to go ahead and log in to Infinite Campus. As you can see, it's your student ID number, and your password is your first and last name initials, and also your birth date. Click Login. Here is the front page of Infinite Campus. As you can see my virtual student ID here. Let's check out Calendar. Here's the Calendar tab. Now let's go ahead and check out the Grades tab. Here you can check out your quarterly and semesterly grades. Let's look at attendance. You can see any tardies that you have and any classes you've missed. Now on to schedule. You'll be able to view your schedule before the first day of school, and you'll be able to see it throughout the entire school year. Now let's look at the Food Service tab. Here you can see and make payments for cafeteria food. Let's take a look at the Fees tab. You can see what books you've decided to check out or what books you've had to check out. This includes textbooks. And you can also see whether or not they're overdue. Let's look at the Message Center tab. Here you'll be able to see any messages from your counselor. Let's go ahead and look at the More tab. This is the most important tab. Here you're able to see address information, family information, important dates, locker information and lockers, meal benefits, and detention tracking. And that's it. That's how you navigate Infinite Campus.